Hi, my name is Patty Hosmer, and today we are doing a little bit of algebra, the start of it. Okay, we are going to be solving equations by addition. And if you want to follow along to do the problems, just pause the video. Okay, so I have them on a chalkboard, and that would be like what the teacher would present on the board. And then I have it like on white paper for them, the students, to do. So you have x minus 5 equals 7. And you want this variable, the letter, to be by itself. So I'm going to rewrite the x. I want to get rid of that negative 5. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Right? I added 5 here and on both sides of the equal. Then you'd have x equals 12. Now if you want to make sure your answer is correct, it's super easy. Just plug in with whatever number you said it is. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. Super simple, right? Okay. So now you have x minus 11 equals 19. I want to get rid of this, so I'm going to add 11. What I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. And so x will equal 30. Because if you added 11 to 19, that's 30. X equals. Okay, so let's try it. You have 30 minus 11 equals 19. And just double check your answers. Make sure it's correct. That's all. All right, we're going to erase this so we can have some more board. Okay. Now we have x minus 3 equals 21. I want to get rid of the 3. I'm going to add 3 instead of subtract. You do the opposite. So x equals 24. And if we're correct, we plug it in. 24 minus 3 equals 21. That's correct. Should have just erased them off. That was 24, right? Okay, so now you have x minus 27 equals 4. I want to get rid of this 27. I'm going to add 27 because you're doing the opposite. If it's subtracting, you're adding. If it's adding, you're subtracting. Okay, so I'm adding 27, 11, it'd be 31, and 31 minus 27 equals 4. And that's correct.